Hey guys, we're going to work on L2 today, effectively using appositive phrases. So an appositive phrase gives more information about a noun or pronoun, and it's going to break up the flow of the sentence. And because of this, it's going to need to be set off by commas. They can be used at the beginning of the sentences, in the middle, or at the end. One way to really know if it's an appositive phrase is if you take it out and then the sentence still makes sense. And if it does, then it's probably a positive phrase. So I'm going to go through several examples with you. So my brother's car, a sporty red convertible with bucket seats, is the envy of my friends. So this is what's being modified. The sporty red convertible with bucket seats is the appositive phrase. The main sentence is my brother's car is the envy of my friends. And if we take this part out, the sentence would still make sense. The first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution, Delaware, is rich in history. So here we have the appositive at the beginning of the sentence, and then we got our comma to set it off. Delaware is what's being modified, the first state to ratify the U.S. Constitution. Okay, this is the main sentence. Lastly, I'm going to Gatlinburg, a fun, beautiful vacation destination. So Gatlinburg is being modified. This is our appositive phrase. Separated it with a comma. It's giving more information. I'm going to Gatlinburg is our main sentence. So this is what you're going to be asked to do, is combine sentences. So I'm going to walk you through this process. Sorry, I'm changing pens here. Okay. Liam is my pet. He is a snake. He has only bitten one person. So I'm going to say this is going to be our main sentence. This sentence is about he. This sentence is about he. So we know Liam, both of these pieces of information are about Liam. So to start out, I'm going to start out with Liam. And then I'm going to give the extra information about him. So we could say, Liam, my pet snake, so there's our positive. And then I have this other information, he's only bitten one person. So that's going to fill in the rest of the sentence. I'm not going to write the whole thing out. So this part is your main sentence. This part is your participial phrase. The next example, John Smith was absent today. He is a student with red hair. Okay, the commonalities between both sentences, John Smith and he. So we're going to start out with John Smith. The student with red hair was absent today. All right, so we got our subject, our predicate, our verb. That's our main sentence. John Smith was absent today. This is our positive phrase. And notice we have our commas separated from the positive phrase from the rest of the sentence. So you're going to do what I just did. You're going to take these three sentences, or these three sets, and combine them into one sentence by using an appositive phrase. So if you get stuck, make sure you ask me for help, and make sure you're following the rules that you have in lesson 1 or lesson L1 as well, about punctuating and all that, and combining sentences.